I took this long walk backwards into that vault where all my young dreams hang like a child's drawings on the refrigerator, where only the most timid light allows me to see. So I catch mere glimpses of myself, as if looking at a shattered mirror in a madman's funhouse. You forget so much. So many tiny packages of hope about the future. And here I am. It's the future. Looking back, it's a road littered with broken toys and torn love letters and promises that slammed into the ground on fire. Not that it's all bad, but some days or nights when all the shadows in my mind have a carnival, when all the tears rise from that well of hidden sorrows, when I know I have to rescue all the tender wounds, and I can't avoid seeing their faces. Yeah, that's when I take that long walk backwards into that vault, where all my young dreams hang like a child's drawings on the refrigerator.